It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we have a set from PEWETE or PEWETE, however they pronounce it. So here it is so you guys can see it, and I'm going to open it up. It says 1-step gel nail polish set. Okay, so when I open it up, ooh, it's all nice and organized. We have a little booklet here. I'm sure these are the instructions. We have our polishes. We have a 1-step gel polish. All right, so with this system, I believe you are not supposed to use like a base coat or any of that. So it comes with this lamp. Let me get it out of here. Comes with this lamp, cute little lamp. We have some nail gel cleansers and UV disposable. Let me see what that says. They got a lot of stuff in here. So we have a file here. It says professional nail buffer, and it is 100/180. So yeah, I think you just use these to remove the gel polish. And this is the nail gel cleanser, pure alcohol, soak off, healthy, eco-friendly. So you use these to cleanse the nail, and you use these to soak the product off. I think when another company sent me some of these, I used them as a cleanser, but I'm glad that they sent some that are the cleanser and the what I believe is the soak off. And I think it's the soak off because it has this on it. So you open it and then you put your finger in there and wrap it, kind of like, you know, the way that I remove my extensions with the foil. And for this video, I'm going to be doing it on this hand here. So let's jump into the video. So I took everything out, and these are the 3 colors. And in the booklet here, these are called 1-step gel polishes. So no base coat, no top coat, only the color gel. So here are the recommended instructions. And this is how you use the remover. It's lined with kind of like a foil on the inside, and you wrap that around your nail, and it basically soaks it off using the same method that I normally use. So that's cool. You can, you know, take these on the go with you, or however. It's just these cute little pouches. And in this booklet, it says that the lamp is 6 watts. And I opened up the lamp. The lamp came in a box that was kind of similar, where you just open it up like that. And it had this and the cord inside. And this is what the lamp looks like. It does have an on and off button, and you just open it up like this. So it's very compact. If you're going to be doing your nails on the go, this is a good lamp. And you plug it in here, and then of course you would have to have your own base. The instruction manual for the lamp, everything is in a different language, but we do see that 6 watt there. So I'm going to try all 3 colors, and I'm going to apply these tips and I will have everything linked in the description bar. And I'm going to glue them on and then rough up the surface to remove the shine with the buffer, and then I'm going to go in with the gel polishes. So I started by plugging up the lamp and everything, getting that set up. And basically you just plug it into the back, and then I plug that on the floor with all of my other plugs. Then I went in with my peel off base so that I could glue these on and then pop them off when I'm done. Then I just went in and glued them on after that peel off base was dry. And I have used these tips before. I used them when I did that rainbow look, so I'll definitely put that video in the cards. After the tips are on, I'm going to remove the shine, and I started with this buffer or the file that came with the kit, but y'all know sometimes I be impatient, so I just grabbed my drill and just got the job done. Of course, if you don't have a drill, you can use a file, but if you have a drill, use the drill, okay? Everything just goes by so much faster. So I'm going to remove the dust from the nails, and then I'm going to go in with the polish. And I did this color on the thumb and pinky. With the other pink, I did that on the pointer and the ring finger. And the silver color, I put that on the middle finger. The polish went on really smooth, and after I cured it, it's so amazing that it was not, you know, a tacky layer. So they tell you to do 2 coats, so I did do 2 coats, and this 1-step polish I think is going to be great for when I'm doing my toes, because I don't really want to have to do the base coat, the color, the top coat. That's a lot. And the last time I did my toes, I filmed it, but I don't know if y'all want to see it. If y'all want to see it, let me know in the comments. But trying to bend down and paint my toes and all that, it was just a lot. So if I can just do one thing and it'd have all 3 steps, like, that's a game changer. So I really like this polish system. The lamp has like the little legs that fold out, but you can use it with the legs folded in. You don't really have to fold them out if you don't want to. So in the video, you're going to see me use it both ways. And I cured it with the lamp that they sent, and maybe at the end I could have put it in the big lamp, or maybe I just did the whole thing with the little lamp. But I feel like the little lamp works really good. So this is my second coat. I feel like the first coat had really good coverage, but I wanted to just do 2 coats because that's what they recommended in the instructions. So now I'm using it with the legs folded in. I believe this light stays on for 60 seconds. I did turn it on and just leave it on to see if it will turn off, and it did turn off. So you don't have to hit the power button to turn it off. You can just, let it stay on the full time. And typically if you go on top of like a top coat with color, it might peel or something. So that's another reason why I wanted to do 2 coats, to see if that would happen, but that didn't happen. So now I'm taking the file and I'm just going over that free edge a little bit. And this is what the nails look like, okay? So using this was so easy, y'all. All you really do is just paint it and cure it. Like literally no extra steps, no, base, top. It's just this and that's it. So I love it for that reason. I will have the kit link below the video in the description bar. Here I'm just showing you the colors I used and which fingers I used them on. But I love it. Let me know how you guys feel about a gel polish that's only 1 step. Let me know if you would be down for that, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you endorse. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.